Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey fam. So like you guys know that in my last video White Hood hacked my channel and she took my video. She took my video over. So yeah. I'm going to the boat launch right now, guys. I have my special backpack with me. It has everything I need to survive. I have some pencils in case I needed some math or some reading or writing. I'm meeting up with the RZ twin right now, and I don't know what we're doing. So I bring lots of stuff in my backpack. I went to Project Zorgo headquarters from Chad and B, and I got the VidCon pass. Ow. Always drive with two hands. And you never have two hands free. Hi there. Oh, my leg hurts really bad now. Guys, okay. I'm gonna start right up here because the boat launch isn't that far away from me. From my house. I just ride my bike there. Phew. My Uncle Dan is at home. I told him that my friend, I think the Red Hood hacked my channel, my TikTok, because I was making a YouTube channel, and then I had a notification from TikTok that said, hi lover, and that's usually my things to know that I got a notification, but this time it wasn't actually a notification. That notification, I think it was from the Red Hood, guys, because like when I had that notification when I was doing that stuff, I was doing my stuff, when I was doing my YouTube vlog actually stopped, and I had to make another video, and I actually didn't make one. And then while I was at that when the notification was I was making a video with my cousin, with my friend, and I don't know what happened. I'm like, the video just went kablam, and it stopped, and I was really freaked out. I was freaked out. Who are you? Hello. Okay, so I'm at the boat launch now. The Red Hood, me and the RZ twin are going to meet up. She knows that I'm going to here, and okay, I'm gonna put that back on. It's here. And that is Sean and Ryan's mom, because Sean would be super sad that Ryan's mom is cheating on him. So good thing I almost commented on Ryan's vlog. So usually I vlog every day. Usually I vlog 2 times a week, or 3 if it's like a special thing. Okay, so here. I've been at the boat launch. I'm super thirsty. Okay. I'm gonna sit down. Okay. So I brought my water bottle. I couldn't vlog yesterday because I was gone. So I'll vlog tomorrow for you guys. Phew. I'm really thirsty. If you want to make this drink, all you have to do is get grape juice and lemonade. Yep, it makes me feel better. guys never drink soda when you're hot because it makes you more hotter. So I brought some extra pair of shoes in the front and in the back. I have like thousands of stuff. I have my garland, my money, my lotion. Why did I bring a dum-dum? I don't know. And I have ball guys. I have some pencils that I need to sharpen, and I have some candy in case I get hungry. And I'm hungry. Oh guys, wait, I think the RZ twin just texted me. Where's the signal booster? Guys, I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. I told you that Trident V have the signal booster. So yeah. I cannot trust anybody here. Charlie Twin just texted me Frank. He said that he said is Red Hood going after you and me?
Order.
Okay, and I told you me. And then after me, I told him she was following you. After I tricked her, and for me being the White Hood. And then he said, the White Hood? I didn't know there was a White Hood. Yeah, guys, I'm taking my medicine. I use grape juice for my hot drink. Because I have my VidCon pass. So I told Trident Bead I asked him if they can get me the VidCon pass, and I got it. And it says peace. And then Chad has and then V has love. Peace and love. That might be a clue on the vid passes, but I don't know why. Guys, I'm super nervous because like everybody's down at the boat launch. Like there's lots of people down there. Okay, I'm gonna stop the vlog right here, guys. And like, comment, and check out my TikTok for me.